Police behind us. Just turned on their lights. Hey, bro, make a left. Then take a right. No, we not stopping.
Hell no, we ain't stopping.
Blow through the lights. I gotta make it back home. I'm not going to jail tonight. High speed. 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 I can't go to jail tonight. Police on us. I ain't tripping though. We in some fast. Hey, bro, they hitting they lights. Okay, catch me. We got like 5 extensions. We all got prior convictions. Hey, bro, them right on us. We can't even throw out the glizzies. How many on us? I counted 5. Brody, just focus. Been some more blocks. We gon' get away. Just drive this. Slow down. Turn the corners. Don't crash this.
Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ness, and I build Mopars and Hondas and Acuras and a little bit of everything. Mainly in this channel, Mopars.
We do not care.
But I do a little bit of everything, so I don't discriminate. Yeah, so we moved her. She's now in a garage. Yeah, let's just show y'all what the Jeep's looking like and give y'all the color. This is how she looking right now. We gonna be converting her to full black. She dusty. I ain't gonna lie, man. She been sitting for a little while as we've been doing this. But let me go on and show y'all. Put my man, I am not playing with y'all, man. Look, my baby got no motor. She don't got no motor. All trash. Look, treating her like a fucking hoopty. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. But yeah, man, I got big plans for this joint, man. But I ain't gonna lie, now that the engine is out, for those of you that have been following, they done seen me beat on her, whatever. What do y'all think I should put in this? Like, I don't know if I want to do a 392. I don't know if I want to wait, try to find a Trackhawk motor. I had this crazy ass idea.
I want to put a crackhead under the hood, man. Man, that bitch.
Of getting a 5.7 and pulling it apart, gapping the piston rings, adding some turbos. I don't know what I want to do. Which is kind of another reason why I brought her to the garage, because I don't want her just sitting outside. And where I be at, the city always coming, fucking around. She ain't registered, because fucking clearly. But yeah, let me show y'all what the inside look like. Inside, I ain't gonna lie, inside look the same. The dash is not leather. Focus, there you go. The dash is not leather, but honestly, I could really care less. It looked good. I think it looked good. I've seen worse. I mean, my leather one had that wave shit going on, so yeah, that explains to you everything you need to know. Yeah, that's how we looking. We gotta get the quarters painted. I got the windows with the chrome, so we're gonna take these windows out. I said the windows with the chrome. We're gonna get rid of these windows with the chrome. I got the windows with the black trim, because I used to have, well, it's kind of hard to get it off right now, but this right here is vinyl, like the wrap. You see that? She dirty as shit. Well, yeah, the wrap keep peeling off, so we're just gonna get rid of that, put the whole window. And then, yep. Oh, this is good. We got some work to do, man. We got some work to do. Got all this bullshit in her. So, if you guys want to leave comments and tell me what I should do, I'm taking all suggestions. I originally wanted to do a twin turbo setup, put like some turbos right here. Or I don't know what I want to do, man.
A few moments later.
Let's get out of here.